Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. Now this is the first trade USD yen from 7-minute chart. The entry was taken from 7-minute chart by the CDS7 automated expert advisor robot. And it is for 85 pip. The next trade you can see here USDCAD from 20-minute chart, and these are the two charts, 20-minute and 5-minute chart, as they are written. Let's say this is according to this is a 40-minute chart, my analysis chart, right? So this is where I do my analysis, and then you can see each 40-minute chart is written there that once I have a heads up or a signal that a turn is about to happen, then what happened? I need to wait for first entry comes from 7-minute chart, and then second entry will show up on the 20-minute chart. Or sometimes I get only one, and sometimes I get to have both entries. Right. So this is from a 20-minute chart. Now this one, EUR-USD 20-minute chart going to the upside for 180 pip. Big move happened, right? Because of the USD weakness. Buy orders right there. And similarly, pound USD, because of the USD weakness, went up also for 140 pip. Buy orders right there. Now this one, simultaneously, USD here, USD on the left-hand side. So this pair went down, USD yen, because of the same reason. And entry is there, and then boom, 150 pip. To the downside on the 27th. And then this is from the 20-minute chart. Now this one you can see that I get to have like 7-minute entry from all the way from the top, and then later on 20-minute entry shows up, and that also is taken from the 20-minute and 85 pip from there. So 7-minute entry from this one here from probably and all the way down, and then in the middle of it you can see a 20-minute it retraces and then make the 20-minute entry, and my EA took that as well, but it has to be on a different account and different MT4. Now, pound USD 7-minute, and this is going to the upside. Now, yen pairs are going to the upside. This is for the 90 pip on the 28th, and then EUR-AUD. Beautiful drop and retracement for wave 1 and 2, and then wave 3 you can see big time to the downside, 120 pip from 20-minute chart here. And then 7-minute entry also here from here for 65 pip. Now on the 29 USD-CAD, this is the small move to the downside, and not small, but it's wobbling, but it's like 95 pip. Sell order is right there. And on the 30th EUR-USD, this is a drop 75 pip, and similarly pound USD drop as well for 80 pip right here, and then USD yen went up. This is just the opposite. The news came out and USD started to get strong, and those two pair, Euro USD, pound USD went down, and USD yen went up. That's what happens when USD gets weaker or gets stronger. That's why I watch the index, USD index, yen index, Aussie index, because if you catch the move in the index, excuse me, then all the pair, most of the pair that has that currency involved move, and then you have a chance to get multiple trades because your USD involved pairs are like 7, right? So at least 3 or 4 will give you the entry when the USD news come out. So yen is like 7, 8 pairs, and sometimes I get 3 or 4 easy, but sometimes all of those pairs give me the entries at the same time, and you will see that I have yen pairs going to the upside almost everything except your franc yen. I don't trade that. All right, so these are the trades. Let me show you a couple of setups. Like for example, what happened and why USD yen, euro yen went down, and USD and pound yen, no, not pound yen, pound USD and euro USD went down, and USD yen went up on the back of the news. USD got stronger. So this is a chart that see. Let me, if I can, okay. No, I can't do that right now. Okay, I gotta go back here. Quickly, I'll show you. Okay, on this page here, you can see here that okay, this is see this pound USD on the 27th. I said it's gonna drop here, and then look what happened, right? So it came down straight. This is what my 40-minute chart is all about. So I've made the 40-minute chart, and when it is working, and during that time, I take the entry from 7 or 20. It shows up according to this. So I know exactly where this thing is going and why. And similarly, Euro USD, you see this? I made the chart on the 27 as well. Euro USD before chart, wave 1, 2, 3. I said before 4, we will be coming down to 1876. And look what happened. 1876 touch on Friday. Yeah, right. Yesterday, before market closing. And obviously, that's the reason I got short on Euro USD as well. Similarly, if you look at the USD yen before, right? So it is on the 22nd. I made this chart that is basically going to be harmonic pattern, and then maybe wave 1, 2, and followed by wave 3 as an Elliott wave. So as long as if we stay below this, right? So this was my analysis chart, and what happened after that? You can see that instead of so stopping here, it went and made the completed the harmonic pattern, but the Elliott wave, even the Elliott wave is like extended. It's like wave 1, 2, and then big wave 3 to the downside. So all of this, most of the you see this Euro USD, I said it's gonna go up, so it's gonna go up. So when it start to go up somewhere here, it's like 30, 40 pip to the upside. I usually get my 7-minute entry, and then somewhere here get the 20-minute entry. And then I know that if this thing is gonna go from here to here, then I have multiple shots going to the upside from 7-minute and then 20-minute. Okay, and this is what happened to this chart. Right, it went up all the way to 1876, by the way. Right, so you can see here so many again and again. You will see the charts after charts after charts. I have it double here. I have to remove that. I wanted to change something, I guess. That instead of changing, I just copy that. Anyway, so you see this USD index going down, and then I said it's going to go down, and it went down. This one is also here. Here's the yen. This is pound yen going to the upside, and look what happened. Right? So these charts help me out in my analysis chart, and then see this USDCAD from here to here, and it came down all the way here. Big, big move. This is your USD going to the upside, and it went up. Right. So this is it for now, and hopefully, let me show you some couple of others, other setups that I made, and then they are pretty good right now, moving forward. Let me show you on Friday. Right, I made this chart here, EUR-AUD chart. You see that on the 30th, on Friday, that this is a small, Gertley pattern, bullish Gertley after drop, dropping all the way down. So it's going to go to the upside. And live chart, you can see here what happened to this one or what is happening right now. Market is closed, but it jumped right from there, and then it came down. And exactly now, it is making a 20-minute entry. And when the market opens up and everything is fine, then hopefully I'll be able to take that entry and then right to the upside. Similarly, I made the chart here, look, pound Aussie as well, because Aussie is the culprit, right? So beautiful Gertley pattern, harmonic pattern Gertley. We have it here, and I said, okay, this thing is going to go to the upside, bouncing from 78%. And as of now, when the market closed, what we were doing here is like this. See, beautiful move. Look, so from here, it moved up almost 134 pip. So even on Friday, you could have made very easy some good amount of pip out of this pip. And now this one is also dropping and making the 20-minute setup probably. And when the market opens up, if I have that, I'll take that as well. No problem, right? That's what I have it written here, that this is how my approach is. 40-minute chart setup, and then I wait. If my analysis is correct, then the price is going to move in my way, giving me entries. First entry from 7 minutes, second entry from 20 minutes. Simple as that. And if I'm wrong, 7-minute SL is always fixed and it is 15 pip. 20-minute chart entry is always fixed SL of 25 pips. So if I'm wrong, this is how it is. And sometimes, most of the time actually, price move in my direction, right? 25, 30, 40 pip, and then come back and hit my SL at break even. So very few chances of losing because, the analysis and all of that. So now 80-90% of the time, my analysis are right, and the price goes in my way, giving me the entries. So this is it for now. If you like what you saw, go on my website. You can go here and then, if you want to learn from A to Z, this system and harmonic pattern, algebra, this and that, then I have here a one-on-one coaching. I just finished a few this weekend, and I have few opening. So if you're interested, go there. Courses are here, and it's a lot of things, right? So just surf the web, and then you'll see. So this is it for now, and have a wonderful weekend. And I will make a gold video next. All right. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do so you can get my videos on time. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.